Hey guys, it's Steve, Cat5JUF again. Say, I had a second antenna problem on my 11 meter, so I thought what I would do is run the same antenna analyzer on the 11 meter Siro antenna, because I had some real bad SWRs on that last night. So let's take a look here. What we'll do first, when we turn it on, we'll come up to this menu here, and I'm going to look at number 1. And we're going to go ahead, we're at 56 megahertz. This is from a previous video, but what we'll do is we're going to go and we're going to change the step, and I'm going to turn this to 1 megahertz. Let's do 10 megahertz. It'll get us there quicker. Now we're going to go back to frequency. Now we're going to go back to, there's 26, so that's right at the bottom of the CB band, so let's do this. Let's go back here and we'll change the step to 10K. And let's see, where's the bottom of the CB band at? Right, 29. Let's see, where is the cheat real quick here. The bottom frequency is 26965. Alright, so that's the bottom, and you can see right there we're already at 2.15, so this antenna's not very happy. So let's go all the way up through the band, and that's exactly what the CB was showing. It was showing about an SWR of about 2.27450, and yeah, it's useless. It's bad. But let's just, for fun, 405 is channel 40, so we're at 1.8. But let's keep going up. Let's just see what it does. Theoretically, if I took this antenna and used it on 10 meter, golly, look at that, it would work perfect. It would work, this antenna would work perfect on 10 meter. Look how flat that is. That's pretty amazing. We're going up here now, we're starting to go up a little bit. Now we're going back up again. That antenna is flat on 10 meter. There it's going up, and that's normal. That's what we expect. But what's amazing is this antenna, I have to wonder if something happened on it. It's perfectly good on 10 meter, but I have it set up for 11 meter. So let's look at the sweep mode. We'll go to number 2, or number 3. Let's take a look at there. And there's the frequency. Let's go way down. There we go, there we go. And let's change it from the width. Okay. Now we'll look at the frequency. Get up here, there we go. 23 megahertz. 27. It's about 2, and that's about what we saw. But at 28 it goes all the way down. That's pretty amazing. So just another example, we will change the sweep. Let's go to the width. We'll change the width. I want that to go to W. There we go. Alright. Now let's go to frequency. There we go. So that's the antenna curve right there. Essentially, it's high over here in the CB band, 26974. So it's high over here in CB. This is CB world over here. And 10 meter, it's amazing. I don't understand that. But that's how a good example of how to use an antenna analyzer. So I have a real bad SWR over here in the CB world, which is 2, but yet when I adjust it over to 10 meters, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So I really don't understand that. I'm gonna have to go out there and maybe take this antenna down and see, because I had originally measured it for 11 meters, and I'll be damned. Let's just go down the band here and see if it's resident anywhere else. I doubt it will be. It looks like everything is yeah, it's not going to be useful anywhere else. But that's something you can do, is you can go down the band and watch, and if you see a particular one right here, see there, now it's starting to become usable, that, you know, right there. So that's the antenna curve. Let's do this real quick. I want to do something. Let's do the width again. There. Frequency. And that is the curve right there for that antenna. It's perfect right in here, all along there. So it's around 2 meters is what I was, or 2 SWRs is what I was getting on 11 meter. But right there on 10 meter, it is absolutely perfect. So pretty strange, but that's the usefulness of this tool, is you can put in the frequency, and you can look and see where the antenna becomes resident, which is, you know, this is your SWR numbers over here, and that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the video. I thought I would just run the 11 meter problem I had with 2 SWR and see what's going on with the antenna. So that kind of tells me that the antenna, something's changed on it, so I need to go up there and do some work on it. Okay, 73, just wanted to throw this up, just another example of how to use this tool. So again, we'll exit out and turn it off. So again, 73, thanks again.